Hello and welcome to spoga+gafa 2022. Today I'm going to show you how to go through the onboarding process and how to update your profile. First of all, you will receive a notification saying that you're in the hybrid event experience. This means you can attend the event physically and virtually. If you're only attending the event virtually, please get in touch with visit@spoga+gafa.de. If you are attending the event only physically, you can automatically use the digital virtual part of the platform as well. Next on is to complete your profile. Here you will be asked several questions. Please make sure to update this section here as accurate as possible, because all of these details will be fed into the artificial intelligence. And based on these details, you will receive your personal best recommendations and users who you should meet up with. So it is very important to keep it updated. It's very simple to update these sections. You click into them and you choose all of the details who are best for you. Once you've updated them, you can press update. And once you've collected all of your details, you can click next. Now you will be asked if you want to share your personal contact details. You can keep them private, or you can keep them to connections only, or you change it to public. If you're changing your mind later on, don't worry, you can always change this again. Now your onboarding is complete. First of all, I will recommend to go to your personal profile when you're first logging in. You will find your profile in the right-hand corner up here. You click into it and you can then update your profile picture. Again, first name, last name, your headline, your contact details, and all your onboarding questions here. At the bottom page, you will also find a quick summary about yourself. So please make sure to update this again. Once you've updated this section, you can go into Manage My Availability. Here you can choose all of the dates you are not available for any meetings. So this means if you're blocking any of these dates out, no one will be able to request meetings. Please make sure to keep this updated as soon as you first log into the platform. Next on are the account settings. Here you see your email address and your password, and you can also manage your notifications if you wish to receive push notifications to your mobile app as well. And at the bottom page here, export meetings is one of the very important tools in the My Profile section as well, because here you can download all meetings which are happening either during the event or during the after digital event as well.